Welcome to the ultimate guide to creating a relaxing herbal foot soak. In just 10 simple steps, you'll have a homemade remedy for tired and achy feet. So let's get started. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need Epsom salt, dried herbs like lavender or peppermint, and essential oils if desired. Step 2. Fill a basin with warm water. Make sure it's comfortable for your feet. Step 3. Add a generous amount of Epsom salt to the water. This will help to soothe sore muscles and reduce swelling. Step 4. Next, add your dried herbs. Lavender is great for relaxation, while peppermint provides a refreshing sensation. Step 5. If you like, add a few drops of essential oil for an extra boost of aromatherapy. Just a little goes a long way. Step 6. Stir the mixture to combine all the ingredients. Step 7. Soak your feet in the herb-infused water for about 20 minutes. Sit back, relax, and let the soothing sensation take over. Step 8. Gently massage your feet while they soak to further relax your muscles. Step 9. After the soak, pat your feet dry with a towel and apply a moisturizer to keep your skin soft and smooth. Step 10. Repeat this foot soak whenever you need a little self-care. Your feet will thank you. Thanks for watching this tutorial on creating a relaxing herbal foot soak. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing DIY remedies.